Aloha everyone, welcome to Nepalese food recipe. Uh, for me, this project is fun because it's all related to food. Okay, uh, to create this project, to create this website, I have used PHP as programming language and PHP my admin as database. So the purpose of this website is to spread the recipe of the food that we usually eat in Nepal. Um, so the other purpose is to represent my national food, dal bhat tarkari, that I will show in the website. So if I type dal bhat tarkari, that's our national food that we usually eat twice, and like um, at lunch and for dinner, and we have snacks in the afternoon. So this is the recipe of dal bhat tarkari. These are the recipe where you can see the ingredients that are required, and that will help you to. And there are other different food that we can that you can see the recipe. These are all Nepalese food, the Nepalese recipe. So here you can do so many things. These are the picture of the Nepalese food. This is dal bhat tarkari, and these are momo, these are chicken wings. Here you can upload your picture from here, sign up, log in, log out. So I hope you liked my website. Thank you. Enjoy the recipe.